in envelope detection, which is this one. Let me show you. In envelope detection, what we do, we generally discard the quadrature term and only we receive the in phase component terms, because you have remembered that when we do the demodulation of AM wave, only the envelope of the modulated wave is actually taken out. So here also the quadrature term is discarded and only the in phase component is taken out. So if you will do this one, under root of the square terms of this one, so the square term and under root will cancel each other, and finally the detected output of receiver, the detected output will be dt is equal to AC plus AC Ka mt plus N1 T. So this is the thing, and here you can just watch that only this AC Ka mt is having the message signal. So if we will use the low pass filter at the end of the receiver, so and it is having the cutoff frequencies with the message signal frequencies, so it will receive only this AC Ka mt signal at the end of the receiver. So what will be the SNR ratio at the end of the receiver stage? That will be, here first we have to calculate the average power for the message signal, that will be the actually demodulated signal, and we have to calculate the average power of noise at the output. Now see that for AC Ka mt in the formula, this one, here you have to take this part only. So if you will take the average power for this using the formula, then you will find that the average power of the demodulated signal Pm is equal to AC square K square P by 2. Again you have to use the same formula which I have told you earlier. The formula is this one. You have to apply this formula, and in place of S square T you have to put what you have to put in place of S square T. In place of that I am showing you what you have to put. You have to put AC Ka mt whole square, and this you have to integrate for 0 to 2 pi. ठीक है. So when you will do this one, then do it by yourself. The mathematical part, the calculation basic part, you do it by yourself. Then the output stage will have the average power of demodulated signal will be AC square K square P by 2. Do it, just solve it. I have given the formula. And what is the average power of noise at the output? That is Pn0. Let me show you. Pn0, this is the output noise power. From where it has come? Again, the noise power of output is equal to Bn0. From where it has come? I am showing you from where it has come. Let me show you this part. NIT. NIT actually the in phase component of the noise power. So as we have found out the noise power, that is N0, so that same is happening here also, only the in phase component but having the same magnitude. Okay, so since the magnitude is same, that's why the average power of noise at the output will be same as it was in the input stage. Now the average power of the demodulated signal and average noise power, if we will put in this formula, and we will get average power of demodulated signal by average power of noise at the output, we will have AC square K square P by 2 Bn0. Okay, so we have calculated signal to noise ratio at the input stage, and this is the signal to noise ratio at the output stage, at the output of the receiver. Now if we want to calculate the figure of merit for the AM signal, figure of merit for the AM signal, so what will be the figure of merit? As we know that figure of merit is equal to signal to noise ratio at the output of the receiver divided by signal to noise ratio at the input of the receiver. So at the output, this is the signal to noise ratio, and at the input, this is the signal to noise ratio that we have already calculated earlier. Let me show you where we have calculated it. Just I am showing you where we have calculated it. Here we have calculated it. Okay, so this calculations we have to put in the formula of figure of merit. Then you can watch that 2b0 will be cancelled, AC square, P will be cancelled, and finally what you will get, F is equal to Ka square P by 1 plus Ka square P. So what you will be able to understand that here the denominator is greater than numerator by a value 1. Here 1 plus Ka square by Ka square P. So this will give you the figure of merit for AM receiver, which will be less than 1. Okay. So what we have understood by doing the calculations of SNR at the input stage of the receiver, at the output stage of the receiver, and finally calculating the figure of merit for amplitude modulated system, which is using the detection method of envelope detection. And what is the envelope detection? Just you have to keep in mind what is the envelope detection. The envelope detection means that the final sum of noise signal and modulated signal, which is having this Vt at the output of the band pass filter, if we have to demodulate it using the envelope detection method. So what is the method? Each term is squared. So this term will be squared and this second term will be squared, and both the square term are added, and finally squaring root of the addition of both the square term. Okay, since the in phase component actually lies with the, or in phase component is passing through the modulated signal, that's why the quadrature component can be cancelled. Okay, I am again repeating, for getting the details of quadrature phase component and in phase component and quadrature phase component, just listen the video lecture named as SNR calculations of DSB SC wave of my YouTube channel, Engineering Diploma Solutions. That is a just earlier video lecture. So in that I have shown you in phase component, quadrature phase component in very detail. With the phasor diagram also I have explained these terms. So the quadrature term is actually the perpendicular term which will not pass through the message signal term or the demodulated signal term. So what we, if you will discard this one, this can be neglected. So what you will see that under root of the square term of this one will be cancelled each other, and finally the detected signal you will have AC plus ACKAMT plus NIT. Now since carrier signal is high frequency signal, so the low pass filter will not allow this to pass it. So the low pass filter will pass only the this KAMT and the noise which is within the message bandwidth. Okay, that's why we will take the signal power for this term and noise power for this term as we have calculated. Thank you, students.